Hello, I'm going to explain how to get started with Hyperion Planning, how to get your user ID, and how to install the necessary software. Now I'm going to show you how to log into Yammer. If you've never done it before, just go to yammer.com and log in with your Conduit email address and WinID. Once you get into Yammer, I'm going to search for driver-based planning to find the group that we've set up. This is a private group, so I will have to approve your access to the group. You can see I'm having a little trouble here. Just type driver-based planning. I will probably add people that I know are planners to the group. Once you get in, just click the joined area, and that's all there's to it. We post files, including training videos here. At the moment, you can see there are 5 files posted. We plan to add more, and as they become available, they will be posted at this spot. Since Hyperion Planning is audited, we need to show approval for everybody's access. Simply get an email from the sector finance lead or general manager approving your access to planning. You can then forward that email to the Hyperion administrator, and they will take the necessary steps. Access, security access, is by the Category 10 organization. So I've pasted in the current Category 10s, and you can see I'm going to quickly filter on the different sectors just to show how all the Category 10s are represented. Each Category 10 has multiple planning cost centers, which you'll see inside the planning application. So here we see public sector, and I will assist everybody with getting the correct access. Part of the piloting process is figuring out the security setup. Once you have your user ID, you can connect to the Hyperion Planning server, set up your reporting configuration, and download and install SmartView. Depending on your network location, you may need the Cisco VPN. Once you log into the Hyperion application, there's a one-time preference you need to set called Point of View or POV. This is to launch the built-in financial reports. The default is off. You want to click on, and that will allow your reports to launch correctly. After setting your POV, you can download SmartView if you have not already done so and install it on your PC. This process only takes about 5 minutes, and the specifics are documented in a file that we've posted on our Yammer support site. Okay, I just launched the PDF we have stored in Yammer that shows you step-by-step how to download SmartView from the Hyperion application server and correctly install it. Now I downloaded the file, and I'm opening it natively on my PC just to make the screen bigger. I'm in the middle of the file here. I'm going to quickly go to the top just to show you that we literally have every screen, every command in here. Once you run through the install, which is fairly standard, then you want to open Excel, and you have to set some options. You will see a SmartView tab. That's a good sign. And then you just go into the options and identify our exact server. And the address is here. You can paste it right into Excel. After that, we want to click on the connections icon, or I think it's called panels actually, on the far left, and check our shared connections. You'll be prompted for your WinID and password, and that'll take you into the planning environment. Once you've finished the SmartView installation, we want to confirm that you can use the shared connections. There are shared connections to Essbase. This is the normal reporting Essbase used by most of the company for financial reports, and two links for the planning related servers, Hyperion Planning being the primary one. So what I'm going to do here to test the connection is open a blank Excel sheet, go to Smart View, click my panel on the far left, select Shared Connections, and now you will see 4 servers available in our Shared Connection pool. Well, actually, after I put in my WinID and password, that's a good sign. So you click the down arrow, and here are the actually 5 shared servers. The one we're going to use is Hyperion Planning, and if I expand the box, the pluses, I see that I have task lists and everything. So once you get to this point, you are ready for the next lesson and actually using Smart View to interact with the planning application.